In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hyperlink students to content, and instead of having the link be right directly on the front page of our Moodle course, what we're going to do is we're actually going to build it into a resource so that you can put text, like for example instructions for your students, into that resource and then link the students to what you want them to do. So we're actually going to be hyperlinking text to a web page and also text to a document that you have uploaded to Moodle. Go down to module. The first thing I'm going to do then is I want to add a resource, and we're going to add a page resource. Give it a name, link to textbook resources. This is where you would give students the instructions. And so what you do to hyperlink your students is, first of all, I have to go to, this is the website that I want my students to go to, so I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to copy it. I can close that window. Here, I'm going to take some text and I'm going to use the linking tool. Here I have to put the link URL here, so I'm going to paste it. Target, it was set to open in this window, so what we want to do is open it in a new window. Always. And insert. Our version of Moodle, it seems like when you save, it doesn't change that text. What I like to do is make it in blue. Students are used to when you see something in blue that it is clickable and it will link you somewhere. Okay, so now we're all set. I want to save and return to course. And this is what our resource looks like, our page. And I'm going to click on it. Please use the link below here. So there's our instructions for our student, and here we click and we go right to the page that we wanted them to go to. You know, you could give a lot of different directions for the students as far as other things you want them to do. Actually, I'm going to go back to Bio Home because I'll go back and edit this to link it to a file. So I'll go here back to my textbook resources here. I'm going to use the edit tool, the hand with the pencil. Because I should have showed you in the beginning, you know, you can come here and you might have noticed that that font was a little bit small, so you can make changes to the font. By now you've probably figured out, you know, what you want the look and the feel to be like as far as the fonts, but I would just demonstrate that. Maybe it would be click here to see the overview of this week's unit. So that would take us to that file that we uploaded that would maybe have. In here we just need to select our text and click on the linking tool. This time, since we want to link to a file that we've uploaded, you don't have to put a link URL here. You actually click this button. This is browse, and you can browse files you already have uploaded here in your private files area. You can also do uploading, and you can tap into recent files that have been uploaded. Like this one here, I was using this Unit 2 overview, so I don't need to upload it again. I can just click on it and I select the file. It's going to pop it in here, and it says the target is to open in this window, and we know that we want to open in a new window, and insert. And I went here and I like to change this to blue, say save and return to course. Now when I come down to the bottom of module 2, and I can go back to my web page resource that we've created, and it says link to textbook resources. Got a new link here, and if I click it, it takes the students to this PDF that I have uploaded. That is how you can hyperlink students to a web page or to a file that is uploaded into your Moodle course. And the only reason why I think this is important is because sometimes you want to give the students more text to let them know what the instructions are for the activity, where they're going to go, and what they need to do. In the next video, I'll show you how you can link to Florida virtual activities as well as their quizzes. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.